Hi everyone, welcome back once again to CareerQ, a place to curate your career. So this is the first video of this playlist. I know I had created this playlist like way back, but I never got a chance to talk about anything. But yes, today I'm here to talk about something really that's close to my heart, and I want to address it actually because it's been weighing on me for quite some time, and I really want to talk about it because I know that I'm not alone and I'm not the only one who might be facing this. So I want to voice it out. Okay, so if you're someone who has been following me for quite some time, you might be knowing that when I had initially started this channel, I did not wear a hijab. Okay, and yes, this is something not new now. It has been with me for 2.5 years, but I opened up and I came up in my videos wearing a hijab quite late. However, there have been people, okay, commenting on a lot of my videos, and I will share all the comments that I'm talking about. I mean, no hate, but there have been people who have been voicing this and raising concerns over me, changing my look, okay, as to why I did this, what was the need, etc., and that also giving doubts in my head, saying that I used to look way more confident, way more whatever. I used to look better when I was, making videos without a hijab on. And well, initially I brushed it off. I kind of replied to almost all of those comments, but now I feel that I need to speak about it, okay? Because I'm not the only one who kind of faces this, okay? When a person suddenly decides to do something which is quite contrary to what she or he has been doing or has been wearing or has been, whatever, than before, then automatically society kind of questions our decisions. And while questioning the decisions is not the wrong part, okay, you can question and you can be curious for sure, but raising concerns and putting doubt in one's head, especially knowing that they are following their religion, is something that I don't approve of. Yes, I have my reasons. I have also made a video on it, and a lot of you have shown immense support, and I'm so very grateful for it. And a lot of you really don't bother whether I come with a hijab on or without a hijab or whatever, okay? You come here to listen to the topics that I'm here to say, and my topics are fairly professional. They're not personal, so there is literally no reason to make out personal comments, but still there are people who have been raising it. What actually brought me to make this video was that you as a person or as a viewer have no right to decide whether I should be wearing something or not wearing something, okay? That's kind of literally a very personal choice, and a person stumbles upon something, after a great time, okay? Changing oneself completely is not a minor decision, okay? It took me so much time to open up, to start doing it, to decide that I'm gonna be this way now, and this is how the world is gonna see me. That actually took a lot of strength from me, okay? And now that I have shown that strength, if you cannot further strengthen me, don't try to make me weak. I mean, not that you are succeeding in that, but also it kind of shows what kind of a person you are. I feel so amused when people say that, oh, you didn't used to talk like this before, oh, you didn't used to do this before, oh, whatever. Like, I feel that right now I am more confident than I was when I was without it. And there's no doubt, because had I not been confident, had I not been comfortable, I would have easily removed it, right? Because I had that option. I had literally been just like that my entire life. So a year or two of wearing this would mean nothing if I was not confident and if I was not comfortable. Okay? So for those of you who are concerned that, oh, you don't look confident, then let me tell you that forget about how I look to you. To me, I am more at peace and I feel more confident. I feel more myself, because now when I dress up, I don't feel like, oh, I need to do this kind of hairstyle, something like that person did on that day, etc., etc. I do my thing. And I am so grateful that I have figured out what or who I want to be and how I want the world to see me. And let me tell you that when I started doing it, there was not even a single person in my entire circle, okay? When I'm saying this because I was working in an MNC when I started doing it. And I used to go on client visits. I used to do meetings. I used to be, people used to see me, okay? And they used to respect that. No one in my professional sector raised any concern about me changing my appearance. Instead, it gave me more respect in front of their eyes, because now I was being more authentic, I was being more self centered, and I was being more focused. Because this brought literally focus. It takes a lot of strength in you, let me tell you. And once you have shown that strength, you will see that people will respect you for that strength. Also, when I came to Canada, a lot of the times I had this, question, because as I have already voiced this, that, because previously I didn't used to do it. So a lot of my documents, my passports did not have this way of me, okay? It does not have it now as well. I have not changed my photo because my passport is about to expire, but that's a different concern. What I want to say is that despite the fact that my documents did not carry this kind of a picture, I have never faced any issues. And let me tell you that I have never faced any kind of discrimination in, workplace, or disrespect in any form, whether in India or abroad. Because of the way I look. So, yes, firstly, it has made me more self centered, more self aware. It has made me more confident. It has made me more authentic. It has made me more responsible of what I do and why I do it. And also, it has given me a lot of respect. So please, all the people who are so concerned about me not looking confident in my videos, I don't know. Let me tell you that I respect where you're coming from, but I really don't need that kind of concern. And you can keep it to yourself and maybe try it out within yourselves, okay? If there is something that you have been wanting to do, or you have been wanting to change in yourself, and you are waiting for that public validation, or you are waiting for the trigger, or you're waiting for that thing, or you're more disturbed about how will people perceive you, let me tell you that they will see you with nothing but respect. Yes, of course, there will be people just like you are in my life, who will try to raise doubts in your head about your decision. But if you have got that strength from somewhere, then let me tell you that that strength is not going to go anywhere. It will stay with you, and it will make you and your decision more firm. Okay, so yeah, if any of you have been wanting to do anything, and this can be, on both fronts, personal and professional, because we all know we want to change, but we all have that thing in our head, log kya kahenge. And of course there are log जो कुछ कहते हैं, और वो हमेशा अच्छे नहीं होते, which is why we have this kind of concern. Let me tell you that once you have, passed that stage, then there is actually डर के आगे जीत. Okay, so yes, if there is anything you want to do, just do it. If you are firm and you think that it will benefit you, just do it, and you'll see the magic. Okay, you will see the respect that you never saw before. You will see the way people look at you that you have never seen before, and that will give you that strength that yes, I can continue doing this, and that is all that matters. Okay, so yeah, I hope that this video kind of gave an insight. This video kind of gave you the strength that you might be looking for. And to the people who have been so concerned about my looks and my confidence, we do grow, and we do change. And this is one of the most positive changes that I have brought in my life. And trust me, I don't share my entire life online because my page and my channel is not about my life. It's literally only about IT, about companies, about tech. So I literally don't share a lot of things in that happen in my life. And that's why maybe you're getting this idea that I lost my confidence or I lost my light or something. But trust me, that's not the case, and I'm doing really good. Thanks for your concern. But yeah, I hope you got the answer. Yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. I just wanted to share this new thing that I had in mind since quite some time. Yeah, I'll come again tomorrow with another new video, of course different from this. And if you want me to cover anything else in my videos, any kind of tech news, software news, anything that I talk about in my videos, put them down in the comment section. If you have any questions, any queries, I'm trying to make those quickies, etc. I'm trying to answer all your questions as well. So yeah, put them down as well, and I'll see you again. Until then, stay tuned to CareerQ. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.